Ohio Attorney General Dave Yost announced Ohio's heartbeat bill is now law. It bans abortion once a fetal heartbeat is detected.
Which in some cases could be before a woman knows she's pregnant. Even with that law, however, abortion is still legal in Ohio for now. That could change if certain pieces of legislation currently under consideration are passed. Allison Gens is live in downtown Dayton tonight with what's next for Ohio after this historic decision. Allison.
John Brooke, earlier this evening, protesters gathered here in front of the federal courthouse. Now, these protesters say they're not going to give up their fight as Ohio inches closer to banning abortion.
We say pro-choice!
While abortion advocates packed the block outside the federal courthouse in Dayton.
No one should be forced to carry a child for full term against their will.
God loves babies, therefore he hates abortion.
Anti-abortion advocates celebrate the decision to overturn Roe v. Wade outside the Life Enrichment Center in Kettering.
I'm very glad that they decided that way because to me that means a lot of babies will be saved.
Within hours of the Supreme Court's ruling, Ohio's abortion laws changed. Ohio's heartbeat bill, which was previously blocked by a federal judge because it violated Roe v. Wade, is now law. This new law bans abortion once a fetal heartbeat is detected as early as 6 weeks. The Ohio House and Senate are also both considering bills known as the Human Life Protection Act. It calls for a ban on all abortions except cases to save a mother's life, and physicians who would perform an abortion could face felony charges. The founder of the Dayton Women's Rights Alliance says her organization will continue to mobilize against the decision.
We won't put up for it. They're going to be out of office. If they vote for those laws, they will be out of office in November.
However, anti-abortion advocates say this is a win for the country.
The children are the most vulnerable, and to say that in order to let adults do what they want to do, that we should kill them just doesn't seem right to me.
Now, once again, even with Ohio's heartbeat law, abortions are still legal but limited in Ohio. Now, those trigger bills, those are still in Ohio House and Senate committees and have not been voted on by the General Assembly. And if those do pass, it would still take several months before they'd go into effect. Live in Dayton, Allison Gens, 2 News, working for you.